igcse Computer Science Paper 2 Pre-Release Task 2. This is the newer video. Task 2, selling the tickets. Selling tickets equals to yes firstly, while selling tickets equals to yes, equals to yes, then time up equals to integer input. We will enter an integer 9, 11, 13 or 15, while time up is not equal to 9, or and time up is not equal to 11 and 13 and 15, because if it was or, then it is and now. So if it's not equal to this and this and this, so it has to apply to this and also this and apply. If it says only, if it says or, example, time up not equals to 9 or 11, so obviously it can't equal to both. It only has to equal to 9, or it can equal to 11, right? So if in integer 9 was input, but if it said while time up not equal to 9 or time up not equal to 11, this it would equal to 9, but or it would not equal to 11. So that's why it is written and not or, because or would mean if it's not equal to any one of these, it doesn't have to be equal to all of them. If it's not equal to any one of these, if it's not equal to 9 or it's not equal to 11 or it's not equal to 13 or 15, anyone, then this would continue. But in this case it said and because it's not equal to all of them. So yeah, so while it's not equal to all of them, then error, print error, input integer 9, 11, 13, 15. Again it will do it until it equals to anyone. Then the statement would not be true, because it example it was 9, statement would not be true because yes, it's not equal to 15 and it's not equal to 13 and not equal to 11, but this is not true. This should also be true for it to be and this. So yeah, for count in range 0 to 4, if time up equals to change up times count, whichever position. So example it was 11, that's position 2, position 1 in the array, because it starts with 0, 1, 2, so it's position 1, right? So if it's not 9 and then goes into 11, if time up, which is the input, equals to chain up times 1, in this case count is 1, so yes, it does equal to, so then index up would be equal to count, which is 1. And next do the same thing for time down. Time down equals to integer input 10, 12, 14 or 16, while time down is less than time up, because you can't go down first, you have to go up first and then come down. So time up is a number from these, but time down has to be a number bigger than time up, or time down not equal to 10 and not equal to 12, 14, 16. So if it's applying to this or this, it doesn't mean that it has to apply to both. If it applies to either this or either this, then this would produce an error input again. Then search algorithm to find the index pertaining to a time going down the mountain. This would for loop would occur then after this. So for count in range 0 to 4, 0, 4, if time down, for example it was 14, first count would be 0, and then no, it's not it's not 10, it will go to 12. No, it's not 12, then it will go to 14, which is count 3 in position, count equals to 3 in position, no, sorry, 14 would be position 0, 1, 2. 14 would be position 2, so when count is 2, yes, 14 equals to change down times position 2, yes, then this would continue to the next one. Index down equals to count, so 2 equals to index down. So yeah, num tickets equals to number input, integer input. How many tickets will you buy? 10th is free, so this is the number of tickets you want to buy. First is you're inputting time up, then you're inputting time down, then you're inputting num tickets equals to integer input. How many tickets will you buy? 10th ticket is free. So while num tickets is more than the available chains of tickets index up, so position of that specific times amount of tickets available. If it's more, the number of tickets wanting to buy is more than that, or num tickets is more than the down tickets of that specific time available, then we'll produce an error. Check availability, so you know how many tickets are available. Then it would ask how many tickets do you want to buy. 10th is free until it would keep on doing until num tickets is not more than that, and num tickets is not more than this. So these both have to be correct. It has to be not more than up tickets and not more than down tickets, because if it's either one of these, then it would do the while loop again. So any one of these shouldn't be wrong. Any one of these should be correct. It should be not more than this, and it should be not more than this. Total cost one way equals to total cost multiplied by, so this is the cost of one way, num tickets minus integer num tickets over 10, so divide by 10, and then the integer, the whole number of tens, so number of tickets minus whole number of tens multiplied by the cost, which is a constant, as in task 1 it was written ticket cost equals to constant, it's equals to 25, which was a constant. Print the total cost to go up and down is total cost one way, which is the total cost one way multiplied by 2. So cost to go up and down is cost one way multiplied by 2. So trains up tickets index up, as in the position of the trains up tickets availability, equals to is changed to trains up tickets that position minus the tickets which have been bought, the number of tickets. And same for down tickets, which is down tickets minus number of tickets bought. And money is increased, so change of money is added to total cost one way, and that is for the uptime, and the down money is added to total cost one way is added to the down money. So one way is added to up and one way is added to down. If that train is fully booked, change the tickets from 0 to closed. For count in range 0 to 4, repeating 4 times. If the first position 0 of change of tickets, the first of tickets equals 0, then turns into a string and then turns into closed, the word close. And same for down. If 0 count equals firstly count is 0, then change down tickets 0 equals to 0, then it turns string and then it turns to close, and then the for loop does it again, but now count is 1, so change of tickets 1, which is the second change of tickets. If it is 0, then the same thing repeats. Now for this one, print train times space tab tickets tab tickets available. Actually, this is wrong. Change times is correct. Tickets is correct, but change the money, it should be money collected. So it would print that, and then it would do it would do this 4 times, and then after it does the for loop 4 times, so like it would do 0 1 2 3, it would not do 4, it would do 0 1 2 3, which is 4 times. In that process it will change up tickets 0, change up times 0, you have tickets 0, and change up money for going up. This would be 9, the amount of tickets available, and the change the money collected, and then for 10, which is position 0 and change down times in the array, 10 the tickets available and the money collected. So as you can see here, the tickets available will decrease after num tickets are bought, after they're chosen to buy. And after it's been 4 times, selling tickets equals to input. Would you like to continue selling tickets, yes or no? So if yes is entered, this while loop would go again, but if no is entered, then it would stop. Thank you.